Ever wondered how that pinch of salt you sprinkle on your fries makes its way from the sea to your kitchen? I mean, it's not like ocean waves just deliver salt shakers to our doors. Here in Dr. Wonder TV, I'll try to answer all the things you've ever wondered. Let's dive into the salty process. It all starts with good old seawater. That's right, most of the salt we use comes straight from the ocean, but how do we get salt from water? The first step in salt making is evaporation. Big pools of seawater are set out in shallow ponds called salt pans. Then the sun takes over. It's like nature's slow cooker. Over time, the water evaporates, leaving behind the crunchy salt crystals we know and love. It's the ultimate sunbathing session for salt. Once the water's gone, it's harvest time. Workers scrape up the salt crystals that are formed at the bottom of these salt pans. They're usually pure white, sparkling, and ready for the next step. If only all kitchen prep were this simple, right? So, in a way, your salt goes through a long sun tanning process before it ends up in your kitchen. Salt crystals working on their beach bodies since forever. Now, not all salt goes straight from the salt pan to your shaker. Some of it gets cleaned up a bit through a process called purification. The salt is washed and sometimes treated to remove any impurities, making sure it's ready for cooking, seasoning, or whatever delicious use you have in mind. After purification, the salt crystals are dried and often ground into smaller grains. This is where you get different types of salt: fine, coarse, or flakes. Then it's packed up and sent to your local grocery store, ready to spice up your life. Oh, and here's a bonus fact. Not all salt comes from the sea. Some of it is mined from salt deposits found underground, like in ancient seas that dried up millions of years ago. So if you're using rock salt, it's practically prehistoric. The next time you grab that salt shaker, just remember, your salt has gone through quite the journey from the sea, or underground, to your table. And who knew sunbathing could be so productive? Want more fun facts like this? Stay tuned to Dr. Wonder TV, where we break down everyday wonders.